Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our jQuery video tutorial. Today we will learn about callback functions which help in controlling the executions order of animations and effects. So let's dive in. So first of all, what is a callback function? A callback function is a function that execute after another function has completed. Why is this important? jQuery effects and animations run asynchronously, meaning they don't wait for each other. Using callback functions ensure that animations occur in the correct sequence. So why use callback functions? It's ensure proper execution order. It's run after effect like hide method, fade out method and side up method. It execute code after the effects completes. It improve user experience like avoids unexpected behavior and glitches. So how to use callback functions in jQuery? Here is the syntax. We have here we use a selector and here we use a effect method, like here we use speed, here we use a functions, and here is the code to run after the effects completed. So here what is effects? Any jQuery effect methods like hide method, fade out method, slide up method, etc, etc. Here we use a speed. It's optional, can be slow, yeah, or fast, or a milliseconds, like 1000 milliseconds for a 1 second. And here is the functions, like what is function? The callback functions that execute after the effects completes. Now here is the example of jQuery callback function. So first of all, we have a running code after an animation end. Here is the examples like hide a paragraph and then show an alert. Now you can see here is the syntax. Now here we use a hide method and here we use a alert box which have paragraph is now hidden. So we open in a code editor. Now you can see here we have a paragraph tag and here is a button. Now here is a alert and here we hide this paragraph. Now what happened when the paragraph, when we click on this button, its paragraph hides slowly. Once it is hidden, an alert box pop up saying paragraph is now hidden. Now when I click, now you can see paragraph, it's hidden, and now here is the alert box, paragraph is now hidden. If we use a fast, like here we use a fast, now you can see here when I click on that, you can see it's moved very fast. Now the second is callback after fade out. Now here is the example, the fade out of paragraph and then change its text. Now here you can see a syntax like a jQuery code. Here we use a text method, or here we use a fade in method, and here we use a fade out method. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have a paragraph and here we have a button, and here is the document.ready function. Now you can see here we have click functions, and here we have fade out method, here we have text method, and here we have fade in method. So what happens when we click on this button, the paragraph fade out slowly. After it disappear, the text changes, the new text fade in slowly. I can see here it's working like that. Now the third one is callback after slideUp. Here is the example, slide up a div and then show a message. Now you can see here we have a code. Now here is a slide up method. We use here 1000 milliseconds, and here we use a function, and inside the functions we have a callback like functions the box in now hidden. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have a box style. Now here is a div which have box id, it's a slide me up. Now you can see here is a div, and here is the button which is there in. Now you can see here we use a click functions. Inside the click functions we have a stop function, stop method like true values. Now it's a slide up, now which have a parameter like 1000 milliseconds, and here we have a functions, callback functions, then with have alert box, the box is now hidden. Now if we click on this slide up button, now what happens, the box slides up in 1 second. After it disappear, an alert appears saying the box is now hidden. Now you can see here is the box. Now if we uh, change the time, now you can see it's working after 5 seconds. You can see it's slowly slide up, and then it's give a alert box. The fourth one is stacking multiple animation using callbacks. Now you can see here is the examples like chain animation using callback. Here we have a animate with 300 pixel, and here we have another animate method which has height 200 pixel, and here we have a css method which have background color red. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have a box style. Here we have a div which you can see here. Now it's a button. Now you can see here is a button. Now you can see here we use a stop method true with parameters, like we have here animate for method with 300 pixel and 1000 millisecond, and after that it's callback functions like animate 200 pixel height, and after that we have a function callback functions which have background color red. So what is this? We have a two callback functions, one after one. I can see here when we click on this button, the box expand horizontally, then it expand vertically, finally it turns to red. Now you can see here 1, 2 and 3. Now let's talk about the conclusion. The callback function ensure that one function runs after another finishes. They are useful for animation and effects like hide method, fade out method, slide up method, and etc. They help in creating smooth step by step animations. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.